To append to a string, we can do it manually. With the dot symbol. Or as we've already talked about, we can use the reassignment shorthand. So we prepend the concatenation operator before the equal sign, and you just add whatever string you want to add. Now that will produce the same output. Another thing you can do is you can use the list and you can join it. So put the strings that you want to combine inside the list. And it joins the strings inside the list with the space in between. Now you can also specify the separator in the second argument. So if I put the new line there, when we print it, you can see that it's printed on the separate line. If you don't specify anything, then it will just use the space. If you want to add them together without no space in between, then you just put an empty string there, and that will add the two strings without any space. So that is appending to a string. How about prepending? So we don't have any built-in functions to prepend to a string. So you would have to manually do this and just add the string together. Now that will give hello world, and just like in the appending, we can also use the list and join it together. Just reverse the order inside the list. So I want to prepend hello. So hello, and to the string, original string, and that will make hello world. And you can also specify the separator as well.